How long does it take for Venmo to verify a bank? Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll explain you on how long it takes for Venmo to verify your bank. Well, first and foremost, if you want to manually verify a bank on Venmo, simply open up the app and click on Me tab, and then click on settings and then on payment methods. Now click on add a bank or card and then select on bank, then select manual verification instead of instant verification to verify your bank manually. After that, you can add your bank manually with your routing and account number, and then Venmo will send you micro transfers to your bank will be less than $1. Now Venmo will issue two small withdrawals and will deposit them simultaneously. You can see these transactions or deposits within 1 or 3 business days. So basically it takes 1 to 3 days. Now 1 or 2 or up to 3 days if you re-add the bank account manually using your account and routing number. Keep in mind that you'll need to verify the bank account, and that process usually takes 1 or 2 or up to 3 business days in maximums. If you need to make a payment urgently, consider adding a debit card to your Venmo account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.